Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are here in Greenford in London Borough Wheeling, so without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so drone's up in the sky, as you can see. We're now just going to just do a 360 photo and zip around. So, I just done a drone flight in Perivale, and then now I've come to Greenford, and unfortunately the cloud has become thicker, so it was supposed to be a band of cloud that the sun shone through, so I thought it would be a sunny drone flight, but you can't really predict it. It got a bit thicker. It's still a bit sunny, but it's just a bit thicker than it should be, but it's fine. You can still get a decent drone flight because we're not going to get a sunny day like this for quite a bit now, so it's going to be windy. So I thought let's do a drone flight here. Alright, so 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just get a tour of this area. So I'm in a place called Brent River Park. That's where we're flying from. It's a nice open area. I was going to fly from Greenford station, but I thought of coming all the way down here because it's closer to the town centre of Greenford. So it turns out Greenford's quite a big area. The station's far away from the town centre, so I come all the way down here. And yeah, we're just going to fly from here. Get a nice shot of this area. We'll go all the way down to there. It's a nice little shot, isn't it? It is somewhat sunny. It's a nice little green area. It's like a suburban area down here. So what we'll do, we'll just start turning back now. Get a tour of this area down here. Look at that. Let's see what's down in this area. Let's go a little bit down towards here. So what's down this building down here? Let's see. Why is the drone drifting? See, I'm just pressing forward in the stick and the drone's drifting towards that way. I think the wind's taking it. We'll just take it towards here. It's fine. So what's down here? Okay, that's the gimbal moving so erratically that I don't understand. There's no wind today, and you know what? On days there's so many days where I had no wind, but somehow the drone encounters wind. I don't know how that's possible. I think up there it's always windy, which is quite unfortunate. It's like we experience turbulence quite often. So anyway, let's go down towards this area now. We're gonna go towards the urban side. So we got a recycling centre, which I think it is, and we've got some buses over here, like a bus garage. Probably not a bus garage, but I see some buses there. So that's bus garage. That is, got some solar panels in this area. Look at that. Solar panels. And even this battery, half of the battery is solar powered, but half of it's charged by my normal charger. So I charged half of this battery with my garden solar panel, which I've got. It's a portable solar panel, which I probably did I made a video on, but it might be on my channel depending on when you're watching this. Like I say in all my drone flights. And then over here we've got a crane. Look at that. Let's go towards this area. I don't know if it's active at the moment. Probably not, but I'll just stay here anyway. Look at that nice shot. Look at that. What we'll go down towards the other area down there. And even got some buildings down here. Let's see what's down there. So the sun's come out a bit more now, which is good. Okay, again, we're getting some winds. We're experiencing some winds. I think it only happens when I stop the drone abruptly. That's the only time when this happens. We've got some new builds here. Look at that nice shot. We'll go a little bit towards down there. Got nice green solar panels in the green garden area. Looks truly nice. Look at that. Got some solar panels down there. We'll orbit that. What we'll do, go a little bit towards this area down there. We'll go sideways. Look at that nice shot. We won't proceed that much further. We're just starting back from here. Let's get a lower down shot of this building down here. Look at that. Get a nice low down shot of this. Look at that. We'll go towards this area down there. Get a nice shot. Sun's coming out a bit more, so that's a good sign. Let's get a nice close-up shot of this little crane. It'll be a nice shot. Look at that. Such a sick shot. What we'll just start coming towards there. So look, let's get a sideways shot of this building down there. Wind's picked up a little bit from where I am standing. Let's get a nice shot of this area down there. Let's go towards the north side. We'll go towards Greenford town centre. So that's Greenford Road. Go a little bit towards down there. So yeah, we've got this big road down there, main area. Let's get a tour of around it. Let's go down towards here. Let's go down towards this area. So actually the station of Greenford, the Central Line station, is all the way up there. It's crazy how far it is from the town centre. And this is the town centre right here, which is why I decided to fly, because it's more close to the town centre. So what we'll do, we'll just stay in this area down here. Let's follow this blue car down there. What we'll do, so follow this white car.
Come on.
Or should we follow this blue car? Let's follow the white car. And we'll go to the exact same speed as that car. So we're going the exact same speed, which is 22 miles an hour. 20 miles an hour to be exact. I mean, it's a 20 mile an hour road, so it said right there. So we've got the main junction right over here. We're just gonna let's get a shot of that. Got solar panels there as well. Let's go to this road, see what's down in this road. A lot of buses down there. It's good they've got a nice shot of Greenford. We've got this orange car down here. We won't go as far, we'll just stay in this area, because the drone's going nearly below the tree line. So there's a nice building down here. Got solar down here. And then we got a building down here as well. Just get a last shot of this area, then we'll come back. Let's go down towards this area. Where have we not been? Let's see. We've not been down here. Actually, we have been in this area. Let's use the most of our battery. Alright, sun's come out properly now, look at that. It's come back out. See, the clouds are like unpredictable. Like, you think it's like thin clouds, even though the sun can shine through it, but then it gets thicker. But now, I guess now the clouds are thinner. The sun's coming through the clouds. Could have waited till now to take off, but I think this won't last that long, this clouds. I don't know what we can get a shot of now. We can get a shot of this area down there. Actually, you know what we can do? We can come back, and because this is a nice open area, we can actually get low down shots of this area. So let's come down here. Look at that, 6 shot. I should have waited till now to take off, because the sun's come back out now. You can't predict it though, unpredictable. So over here, the River Brent is flowing through there. That's why it's called Brent River Park. That's where the River of Brent, and River Brent's flowing through. I want to get a nice FPV low down shot. We're going to go to FPV mode, and we're going to fly and get some 6 shots. Look at that, that's sick, innit? It would be so sick if I had the FPV drone. Let's go back to gimbal mode. Look at that. Go down towards this area down here. Look at that. That's such a sick shot. We'll go a little bit further down towards here. I don't really get shots like this that much often. So there's no one down there, so we can get a nice shot. You know what? Let's get a top-down shot. Actually, no, that's a bit risky because you never know. My drone, I won't know how close I am to the ground, and I might just topple over. Not good. Look at that. That's a sick shot. Look at that. Got to be careful. That's such a sick shot. And then, look at that, we'll get this last shot before we take the drone back to the landing area. Let's land now. Bring my controller away from the microphone because it's kind of annoying. Perhaps to come faster, innit? Look how fast it is. Tremendous speed, innit? You don't want to do it again, look. Look how fast it goes. Let's show you how fast it goes again. That is so fast. That is so sick. Alright, let's bring it back before the drone starts landing by itself in the grass. Just look at the braking. I don't want to take it in my hand. See, it actually started to force land. Look at that. When it's 9%, the drone begins to force land wherever it is. So if I'm like out there, it doesn't matter what's going to happen. The drone's going to begin to land, so that the drone doesn't fall out the sky because it's going to undervolt. So yeah, that's why I always bring it back before it even gets close to dying. So anyway, that was an amazing drone flight. I mean, the sun's out now. I should have taken off literally right now. Anyway, we're not gonna kill the battery anymore. We're just gonna turn the drone off now. So anyway, that was my amazing drone flight here in Greenford, in the London Borough of Ealing. I mean, it's a nice little area, nice little open space. I don't really come down to these areas. I literally found it just literally now. When I got to the Greenford station, I realised that the main part of Greenford is here, and I realised there's a big open field, and this is where I am. So yeah, I'm gonna end this drone flight now. I hope you enjoy this little drone flight of mine, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.